1. Invest in microfiber wipes for cleaning. Cleaning is an essential part of daily life, and investing in microfiber wipes can be a small change with big benefits. Microfiber wipes are designed to trap dust and dirt efficiently, making cleaning easier and more effective. Unlike disposable paper towels, these wipes are reusable, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. 2. Utilize substitute ingredients when necessary. Cooking at home is a key strategy for frugal living, and learning to use substitute ingredients can enhance your cooking skills while saving money. Instead of rushing to the store for missing ingredients, consider using alternatives you already have on hand. This practice can help you avoid unnecessary expenses and reduce food waste. 3. Start a small farm garden for growing your own food. Planting a small garden is an old-fashioned way to embrace frugal living and self-sufficiency. Even if you lack gardening experience, you can start with simple crops like herbs or tomatoes. Growing your own food reduces grocery bills and provides fresh, organic produce. Gardening also fosters a deeper connection with nature and the satisfaction of nurturing your own sustenance. 4. Preserve surplus food through canning and jamming. Preserving surplus food through canning and jamming is a timeless frugal practice that prevents waste and extends the life of fresh produce. Canning involves sealing foods in airtight jars after heating, while jamming combines fruits, sugar, and sometimes pectin to create delicious spreads. 5. Consider using natural remedies before seeking medical attention. Before the rise of modern medicine, natural remedies were relied upon to treat various ailments. Today, they can be both cost-effective and health-promoting options. Simple remedies like drinking ginger honey tea for a sore throat or consuming vitamin-rich fruits and vegetables to boost your immune system can alleviate minor illnesses. 6. Sew your own clothes to save money. Sewing your own clothes is an age-old practice that's making a comeback in the modern world. Not only does it save money compared to buying new garments, but it also allows you to express your personal style and create unique pieces. With online tutorials and sewing patterns readily available, even beginners can embark on this journey. 7. Learn basic car maintenance to avoid expensive repairs. Having a basic understanding of car maintenance can save you significant money in the long run. Learning tasks like checking oil levels, changing air filters, and maintaining proper tire pressure can prevent unnecessary wear and tear on your vehicle. Regular maintenance reduces the likelihood of major breakdowns, which often come with hefty repair bills. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video. 8. Trim your hair at home to save on salon costs. Opting for DIY haircuts is a frugal approach to personal grooming. While it might seem intimidating at first, simple trimming can be easily managed with the right tools and techniques. Investing in a good pair of haircutting scissors and watching online tutorials can help you achieve presentable results. 9. Give homemade presents as gifts. Homemade gifts convey thoughtfulness and care while reducing expenses. Creating personalized presents, such as candles, soaps, or hand-knitted items, adds a unique touch to your gestures. Not only do homemade gifts often cost less than store-bought alternatives, but they also showcase your creativity and effort. 10. Barter or swap items instead of discarding them. Bartering or swapping items is a frugal practice that fosters resourcefulness and community interaction. Instead of discarding things you no longer need, consider exchanging them with friends, family, or neighbors. This approach can help you acquire items you need without spending money and vice versa. 11. Value connections with people over material possessions. Focusing on meaningful relationships over material possessions aligns with an old-fashioned philosophy of frugality. Instead of pursuing expensive outings or buying lavish gifts, invest time and energy in spending quality moments with loved ones. This could involve activities like picnics, nature walks, or game nights. 12. Spend time outdoors and in nature. Spending time outdoors is a foundational aspect of frugal living that comes with numerous benefits. Nature offers a wealth of free entertainment, from hiking and picnicking to simply enjoying a leisurely stroll. Engaging with the natural world can promote relaxation, reduce stress, and even improve mental well-being. 13. Utilize used containers for storage. Repurposing used containers is a practical and frugal way to organize your space. Before discarding glass jars, plastic containers, or tin cans, consider their potential for storage. These containers can hold everything from leftover food to craft supplies, reducing the need to purchase new storage solutions. 14. Air dry your clothes to save on utility expenses. Drying clothes outdoors or on a clothesline indoors can significantly lower your utility bills. Traditional air drying methods use free, renewable energy from the sun and air to dry your clothes naturally. This approach saves money compared to using electric or gas-powered dryers, which contribute to higher energy consumption. 15. Eat more leafy greens and consider meat alternatives. Meat is often more expensive compared to plant-based protein sources. Incorporating more leafy greens and considering meat alternatives, like beans or lentils, can help you save money on groceries while also promoting a healthier diet. Leafy greens are nutrient-dense and versatile, making them an excellent addition to meals. 16. Use LED lights to save on power bills. Switching to LED lights is an energy-efficient choice that aligns with frugal living. LED bulbs use significantly less electricity compared to traditional incandescent bulbs, resulting in lower power bills. While the initial investment might be slightly higher, LED bulbs last much longer, ultimately saving you money over time. 17. Opt for store-brand products to save money. Choosing store-brand products over name-brand alternatives is a simple yet effective strategy for frugal living. Many store-brand items offer similar quality to their more expensive counterparts at a fraction of the cost. These products often come from the same manufacturer but are packaged under the store's label. 18. Turn off the TV to save on power. Leaving the TV on when not actively watching consumes unnecessary energy and contributes to higher power bills. Turning off the TV when you're not using it is a straightforward way to save money on electricity. Additionally, reducing screen time allows you to explore other activities that don't require electricity, such as reading, crafting, or spending time outdoors. 19. Cook from scratch at home to cut food costs. Cooking from scratch is a fundamental frugal living tip that can have a significant impact on your budget. Preparing meals at home using raw ingredients is typically more cost-effective than relying on prepackaged or takeout options. You have control over portion sizes, ingredients, and cooking methods, ensuring both savings and healthier choices. 20. Learn how to sew and mend clothes. Learning how to sew and mend your clothes is like having a frugal superpower. Imagine the satisfaction of repairing a tear or reattaching a button all on your own. This skill not only saves money by extending the life of your garments, but it also empowers you to personalize your wardrobe. 21. Downsize your home. Consider downsizing your living space to embrace a more frugal lifestyle. A smaller home requires less maintenance, reducing utility bills and freeing up funds for other important endeavors. Downsizing also encourages decluttering, making room for only the essentials. While it might involve some initial effort, the long-term benefits are substantial. 22. Shop at thrift stores for affordable finds. Thrift stores are treasure troves of bargains waiting to be discovered. These hidden gems offer a wide range of affordable items, from clothing and furniture to books and electronics. By shopping at thrift stores, you're not only saving money, but you're also contributing to sustainable consumption and reducing waste. 23. Brew your own coffee to save money. For coffee enthusiasts, brewing their own cup of joe is a simple yet effective way to cut costs. That daily cafe latte habit can quickly drain your wallet. Instead, invest in a good quality coffee maker and opt for high-quality beans. The convenience of making your coffee at home not only saves money, but also allows you to experiment with flavors and brewing techniques. Congratulations, awesome viewers! You've made it halfway through the video. The next half is packed with even more useful and exciting content that you won't want to miss. So let's dive into the rest of the video together, and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 24. Use reusable cloth items instead of paper towels. Ditching disposable paper towels in favor of reusable cloth items is an eco-friendly and budget-conscious choice. Invest in washable cloth towels, napkins, and cleaning rags. These reusable alternatives not only reduce waste, but also save you money over time. 25. Sew your clothes. Embark on a creative and frugal journey by sewing your clothes. Crafting garments at home allows you to customize your wardrobe while keeping costs in check. Start with simple projects like skirts or t-shirts and gradually expand your skills. Sewing machines are relatively affordable, and online tutorials provide step-by-step guidance. 26. Eat more filling meals with starchy foods. Starchy foods like potatoes, maize, and beans offer both nutritional value and budget-friendly sustenance. Incorporating these ingredients into your meals can help you feel full for longer periods, reducing the need for expensive snacks. Starchy foods are versatile and can be transformed into hearty dishes, from comforting soups to satisfying casseroles. 27. Consider DIY home renovations to save on labor costs. Taking a do-it-yourself approach to home renovations can significantly cut down on labor expenses. Whether it's repainting a room, installing shelves, or tackling minor repairs, embracing your inner handyman or woman can yield substantial savings. Online tutorials, DIY books, and community workshops can provide guidance and inspiration. 28. Shop in bulk for items you'll use. Buying in bulk is a strategic way to save money on household essentials. Items like non-perishable foods, toiletries, and cleaning supplies can often be purchased at a lower unit cost when bought in larger quantities. However, it's crucial to assess your actual usage to avoid waste. Store these items properly to maintain their quality over time. 29. Visit the library for free entertainment and relaxation. The local library is a haven for frugal entertainment and relaxation. Borrowing books, magazines, movies, and even digital resources can provide hours of enjoyment without the expense of purchasing new materials. Libraries often host free events, workshops, and classes, making them community hubs for learning and socializing. 30. Avoid brands whenever possible. Opting for generic or store brand products over well-known brands can lead to substantial savings. Many store brand items offer comparable quality at a fraction of the cost. Whether it's pantry staples, cleaning supplies, or personal care products, the difference in price doesn't always reflect a significant difference in quality. 31. Purchase secondhand items for quality at a lower cost. Embrace the charm of pre-owned items by shopping secondhand. From clothing and accessories to furniture and electronics, thrift stores, consignment shops, and online platforms offer a wide range of gently used goods. Purchasing secondhand not only saves you money, but also allows you to access higher quality items that might be beyond your budget if bought new. 32. Pay with cash to minimize debt. Adopting a cash-based approach to your finances can help you maintain better control over your spending. Using cash for transactions encourages mindful purchasing since you're physically handing over money. It's an effective way to stay within your budget and avoid accumulating credit card debt. 33. Eat meals at home instead of dining out. Cooking and enjoying meals at home is a cornerstone of frugal living. Dining out, while convenient, can quickly accumulate expenses. Preparing your meals allows you to control ingredients, portion sizes, and costs. It also encourages healthier eating habits and culinary experimentation. 34. Empty those tubes. Getting the most out of every product is a small but effective frugal habit. Whether it's toothpaste, face cleanser, or lotion, make sure you squeeze out every last drop. Use a toothpaste squeezer or cut open the packaging to access the remaining contents. This practice prevents waste and extends the lifespan of your products. 35. Drink water instead of costly beverages. Embrace the simplicity and frugality of drinking water as your primary beverage. Sugary drinks, sodas, and specialty coffees can quickly add up in terms of cost and calories. Opting for water not only saves you money, but also contributes to better hydration and overall health. 36. Give up watching TV. Taking a break from watching television can lead to multiple benefits, including financial savings. Cutting down on TV time reduces energy consumption and lowers your cable or streaming subscription costs. Instead of channel surfing, explore free or low-cost entertainment options like reading, spending time outdoors, or engaging in hobbies. 37. Make use of scrap paper for notes and lists. Repurposing scrap paper as scratch paper is a small, frugal habit with a big impact. Instead of buying new notebooks or notepads, utilize the backsides of printed sheets, old envelopes, or discarded paper for jotting down notes, lists, and reminders. This practice minimizes waste and maximizes the utility of every piece of paper. 38. Seek simple recipes. When cooking at home, opt for simple recipes that require fewer ingredients and steps. Not only do uncomplicated recipes save you time and effort, but they also tend to use basic and budget-friendly components. Look for one-pot dishes, quick stir-fries, and straightforward bakes that provide maximum flavor with minimal fuss. 39. Buy secondhand items. Embracing the concept of purchasing secondhand items can be a savvy approach to frugal living. Whether you're hunting for clothing, furniture, electronics, or various household goods, exploring the world of secondhand shopping can yield remarkable savings. Thrift stores, online marketplaces, and yard sales are great places to uncover hidden gems that are gently used but still functional and stylish. 40. Eat at home and limit dining out. Restaurant meals might be a delightful treat, but they can add up quickly. To stay frugal, reserve eating out for special occasions. Preparing meals at home not only saves money, but also gives you more control over ingredients and portion sizes. You can explore new recipes, experiment with flavors, and even involve your family in the cooking process. 41. Explore easy recipes and cook from scratch. Embrace the art of cooking with simple recipes. Learning to cook from scratch enables you to tailor dishes to your taste and dietary preferences while avoiding the extra costs of prepackaged meals. With countless online resources, you can find easy-to-follow recipes for various cuisines. 42. Utilize reusable cloth items. Transition from disposable paper towels to reusable cloth items for cleaning. Microfiber wipes are excellent alternatives. They are durable, efficient, and can be washed and reused multiple times. By using reusable cloths, you reduce waste and minimize the need for constant purchases of disposable cleaning supplies. This shift not only saves money, but also contributes to a more sustainable and eco-friendly lifestyle. 43. Invest in microfiber wipes. Microfiber wipes are an economic and eco-friendly investment for household cleaning. Their high absorbency and effectiveness in capturing dust and dirt make them valuable tools. By reducing the need for disposable wipes and paper towels, you'll see savings over time. Regularly wash and reuse them, and you'll not only cut down on cleaning supply expenses, but also reduce your environmental footprint. 44. Learn how to bake. Baking your own bread, pastries, and treats is a cost-effective and rewarding endeavor. With a few basic ingredients and some practice, you can create delicious baked goods that are often more affordable and healthier than store-bought options. Baking allows you to experiment with flavors, portion sizes, and ingredients, giving you control over what you consume and spend. Before I reveal the top 3 old-fashioned frugal living tips to try today, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more money-saving tips. 45. Spend time in nature. Nature offers a serene escape from daily routines, and it's entirely free. Exploring nearby parks, trails, or simply taking leisurely walks can be both therapeutic and cost-effective. Nature provides relaxation, exercise, and a chance to disconnect from screens and stresses. Spending time outdoors with family and friends not only nurtures your well-being, but also provides memorable experiences without breaking the bank. 46. Preserve any surplus food. Reducing food waste is not only responsible, but also economical. Learn about canning, preserving, and jamming to make the most of surplus produce. By storing excess fruits, vegetables, and even cooked meals, you extend their shelf life and save money in the long run. Preserving techniques ensure that you have a ready supply of homemade goodies, even during seasons when certain foods are less available or more expensive. 47. Mend your clothes. Rather than discarding garments with minor damage, consider mending them. Basic DIY clothing repairs are not only cost-effective, but also extend the life of your clothing. Learning simple stitching techniques or patching up small holes can save you money on replacements. This approach not only saves money, but also promotes sustainability by reducing textile waste. There you have it, 47 old-fashioned frugal living tips to try today. If you want to know the best frugal living tips for the richest people in the world, click here and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Fintubertalks for more useful content. Thank you for your valuable time.